Hi, I'm Mackie Flores, confident and fresh at 28. I am proud to represent the pilgrimage capital of the North, the home of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary, Manaoag, Pangasinan. As someone who was raised by a single mother, I wholeheartedly acknowledge that being a mother is an important job, but it is also a role which is often neglected by the society. We fight so much, we talk so much about woman empowerment. So why don't we start with empowering our mothers, most especially those who go through so much difficulties having to raise their families all on their own way. This is my driving force, especially to my mom who is suffering from mental illness right now. She is the reason why I keep fighting and always pushing on my dreams. So with that, whatever is happening, a mother should never give up. And today, it is about time to give back to these mothers who are our timeless heroes. Here in Miss UK Pangasinan 2022, we are given the most treasured chance to fight and speak up for our causes, to open up meaningful conversations about problems that are otherwise neglected. And here I am, hoping to bring light and spark a change, positive change in the lives of a single mothers. That no matter what happens, life must go on. Life is a gift, and that is something to be celebrated for. Again, this is Mackie Flores representing Manaoag.